Hello my dear student, today I am going to discuss accommodation. In previous lecture I have given you the construction and functions of the eye lens. Today I am going to discuss accommodation. This is useful for the standard 10 and 12 also. So what do you mean by accommodation? Accommodation of eye, accommodation of human eye. My dear student, we have only one lens in one eye and other lens in other eyes. With the one lens, we are able to see distant objects which is situated at infinity and nearby objects also. We are not changing the lens. So how it is possible to see the distant object as well as nearby object with the help of a single lens? So that is the terms arises here, accommodation. By accommodation, our eyes accommodate to see the objects between near point and far point, नजदीक वाले को भी और दूर वाले को भी. So accommodation is called as process of changing focal length or power of lens according to the position of object. This is the definition of accommodation of our eyes. The eye lens is composed of a fibrous jelly-like material, okay, and its curvature can be modified to some extent by the ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles, in the previous video I have given you the function of ciliary muscles, that it holds a lens and also helps in accommodation. So curvature of the eye lens can be modified with the help of ciliary muscles. The change in the curvature of the eye lens can thus change its focal length. When the muscles are relaxed, the lens becomes thin. When muscles are relaxed, the lens becomes thin. And when lens is thin, what will happen? Its power will reduce, the focal length will increase. This enables us to see the distant object clearly. Now, when you are looking at the object closer to the eye, what will happen? The ciliary muscles contract. This increase in due to this, there is increase in the curvature of the eye lens, and you can see the thickness of the eye increases, and due to which increase in curvature or increase in thickness, what will happen? The lens becomes thicker and the focal length becomes less and power becomes more. Focal length less. This enables us to see nearby object. And this process, whatever I have explained, that process of the changing the focal length or power of the lens, that is called as accommodation. According to position of the object. The object is at infinity, the lens will become thin, and the object is nearby to us, the lens becomes thick. And due to that, and ciliary muscles help in the thickness, increasing thickness and decreasing thickness. Now, power of accommodation. What do we mean by power of accommodation? Power of accommodation of human eye, or you can say eye. Just you have to change the word ability. Ability of eyelids to alter its focal length, or power according to the position of object is called accommodation, power of accommodation. Power of accommodation. Okay, accommodation. So, if you have understand the accommodation of human eye, then you will understand the power of accommodation. I think it is clear to you what is accommodation and what is power of accommodation or accommodating power of eyelids. So, in this video, I have cleared only two terms. Thank you.